So you can see in the first example, we just sent the signal is just C, so A and B and D are not sending anything at this point. So just doing the normalized product of the signal, which is C, um, comes out to the value of 1. Now this time we're sending B plus C, so the signal changes because it's basically B plus C. Once again, we take the normalized product of that signal plus C, and we get the value of 1, and you can see in both cases C is 1. Next time we send A plus B, we add those two signals together, so C doesn't have a value, it's sending nothing. So when we do the normalized product, sure enough, we get nothing. We get the 0. Once again, you can see adding 3 signals, we get the same result. We're able to filter out C, and when C is negated, you can see, even with the other signals being the same, you see we get the opposite. We end up with -1. And so this basically shows that this actually does work. So it's another method to make efficient use of the signal that's on the wire. This is going to conclude our lecture for this week. I hope you enjoyed doing the in-class assignment, and don't forget to participate in the discussion forum. And we'll be back again next week. Thank you.